This time we are appointed as a designer in Mumbai city and the site is on 17th floor. Client is in the field of demolishing the buildings and here the space planning was big challenge because of the very small floor plate. Apart from space planning, the main concern was the idea or a concept which bind the entire house as a one single entity as a design. So we tried self-engraving work on vertical surfaces with the abstraction of demolition process in the form of natural pattern. It's a tree of affection on 17th floor.
In the initial stage of design, he tried to understand us, our habits, lifestyle, likings. So based on that, these colorful strips of fabric comes as a notion of the Netherlands flower field.
To explore the interaction with surrounding, we added this 360-degree rotating swing, which allow user to be with its nearby context, with television, with sofa, and with beautiful outside landscape of Mumbai city. This small puncture into the wall connects the kitchen with living space.
In very densely constructed city Mumbai, people need space to enjoy and relax the surroundings in relation with confined space.
Every time, our effort was to make the spaces look more bigger and better than it used to be. Twisha's room disclosed the softer side of child who loved the paper quilling. This space is dedicated for her own face in the form of metal quilling work. Bunker bed adds the playfulness environment within the resting space. about the services hidden behind this white wall in the passage area? Branches of tree extended near kitchen area and Sarus crane bird couple added the life in it.
Storage is a major concern here in Mumbai, but we are really happy with the amount and the type of storage in our entire house.
This concrete dining table complements to its surrounding backdrop with beautiful curved bench and delicate chairs. These impressions are a result of thoughtful investigation into the mind of users. So the life is celebration, and I think architecture helps to celebrate it more substantial way.